upbeat music plays. Welcome back to the channel where we make your shopping decisions as easy as choosing between pizza or tacos. Spoiler alert, it's always pizza. Today, we're diving into the world of mirrorless cameras, specifically the Canon EOS R50 and its vlogging counterpart, the Canon EOS R50 vlogging camera. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's get one thing straight. If you're a vlogger, you might think vlogging camera is just a fancy label for the same camera with a different price tag. Well, hold on to your tripods, because we're about to find out if the extra bucks for the vlogging version are worth it, or if you're just paying for the label. First up, let's talk money. The standard R50 is priced at $799, while the vlogging version comes in at a budget-friendly $679. Reviewers of the R50 appreciate its impressive video quality and performance, making it ideal for beginners, but they also mention the short battery life requiring an external battery. In contrast, the R50 vlogging camera also garners praise for its image quality and user-friendliness, but some users suggest that the kit lens isn't worth it. So if you're on a tight budget, the vlogging camera might just be your best friend. Next up, let's look at build quality. Both cameras are compact and lightweight, perfect for those who want to capture their cat's best moments without feeling like they're lugging around a small child. Reviewers of the R50 mention its sturdy design, while vlogging camera users also report its durability. So whether you have the regular R50 or the vlogging version, you won't need to hit the gym just to carry it around. Now, let's dive into the features. Both cameras feature a 24.2 megapixel CMOS APS-C sensor and a DIGIC-X processor, ensuring stunning shots whether you're filming your dog or capturing a sunset. Reviewers of the R50 love its user-friendly interface and improved photo quality, while the vlogging camera users echo similar sentiments regarding its performance. However, both models have been noted for having a short battery life, so make sure to keep that in mind. Next, we have the autofocus system. Both cameras utilize dual-pixel CMOS AF2 with 651 AF zones, making them capable of tracking people and pets with ease. Users of both cameras have praised their ability to keep subjects in focus, whether vlogging about their day or just snapping pictures of their lunch. So you can rest assured that your shots will be in focus, unlike some of your past relationships. Finally, let's talk about special features. Both cameras come with advanced A+ assist to help you take great shots in tricky situations and include a built-in flash for shooting in low-light environments. Reviewers of the R50 appreciate the microphone quality, while users of the vlogging camera also commend its easy controls and video performance. So, whether you're taking selfies in a dimly lit restaurant or trying to capture that perfect moment at 2 a.m., both cameras have got you covered. In summary, both the Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 vlogging camera have received positive reviews from users. The regular R50 is praised for its impressive video quality and beginner-friendly features, while the vlogging version is noted for its affordability and excellent image quality. Both cameras have their strengths, making them suitable for different types of users. However, both models share some common drawbacks, such as short battery life and the need for an external battery. So there you have it. The Canon EOS R50 and the Canon EOS R50 vlogging camera are similar in many ways, with the main differences being the price and specific vlogging features. If you're a serious vlogger, you might want to invest in the vlogging version, but the regular R50 is still a fantastic option for capturing great photos and videos. Be sure to hit that like button if you found this comparison helpful. Subscribe for more smart buying tips and leave a comment down below about which product you prefer and why. Remember, product links are in the description, so check them out.